Hello everyone. Have you ever stayed right in the heart of nature? Taking a break from your busy schedules, from daily work, constant rush, and endless traffic. If you have, please share your experience in the comments below. And if you haven't, let me take you through a beautiful place where the air is pure, the sounds are calming, and life feels slow, peaceful, and refreshing. Welcome to nature's embrace. This is what peace sounds like. Birds chirping, waterfall flowing, fresh air all around. No noise, no rush, just calm, greenery, and pure bliss. Would you love to stay here? Please comment below.